Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So tonight, Boma and Angel were guests in the executive lounge. How did these all start? The light in front of the executive lounge comes up once in a while, and whenever it comes up, whoever sees it first, right, has got the right to invite two other people into the lounge. So Boma was playing, snooker in front of the head of house lounge, and of course at a particular point Angel was coming upstairs, and while Angel was coming, Boma greeted Angel, and boom, he saw the light and quickly rushed to the door, and of course Angel accompanied him into the executive lounge.
What's up? How you doing? Me and you, just one of us. Man, come here. Shh. Yo.
Bro, I just saw the light. Boma saw the light.
Yeah. Me.
He was here. I think he was here.
Now the third person who was there, J. Paul, just thought about the fact that, let me allow these two people to be in the lounge, Boma and Angel. Let me just allow them to be in the lounge. Now this is it. A maximum number of 3 people are allowed into the lounge. So if J. Paul joined them, nobody else was going to join them. So J. Paul just allowed Boma and Angel, to have their time in the lounge and get to talk.
I didn't know that the time is counting.
They'll say something, they'll tell us the time. So it's self, man, damn.
There's
Damn,
food.
there's food, oh my god.
Then I genuinely thought I would never enter this room.
I saw it, I just saw you, I was just like, let me just come in.
And while Angel and Boma were in the lounge, Sammy and J. Paul were downstairs, and Sammy was looking for Angel. And guess what? He was asking J. Paul, do you know where Angel is? And guess what J. Paul said? He said he doesn't know.
Where's she? She do Boma. What's that room? I'm good.
Now for me, that was some serious bro code going on there. And now into the executive lounge, Angel and Boma started having conversations. And Boma was asking Angel, what's up? Are you part of the people who are using the condoms in the house? And Angel was like, no, she hasn't done anything in the house. And Boma was like, also, he hasn't done anything in the house.
But have you been like, there've been 17 condoms missing. I'm like, what the f? Who's using this fucking condom? You use any one of them?
Someone told me.
Did you use anyone yet?
No.
I didn't use none yet though.
Yeah, like I don't plan on having sex in the house.
Yeah.
I already said it. Not because
Me too, huh?
I don't want to have someone, because like I'm private.
And then Angel says she doesn't plan doing anything in the house as she's a private person, but she doesn't mind being watched when she's doing it by one person.
If I wanted to do that, I would like to do that where I'm comfortable. People aren't watching me. I mean, I like being watched, but like one person at most.
Yeah.
123. Like
Not even 23, the world where
bruh, like no.
you like being watched?
Yeah, sometimes I like being watched.
By who? No preference.
Anybody that I'm close with.
Boma also wanted to talk about the fact that at a particular point himself and probably somebody else had switched positions at some point in doing the same thing we're saying.
I think I've been watched before though. My homeboy, one of my homeboy.
I've been watched too, like thrice.
One of my homeboy, we kind of took turns. And we were chilling. But there was one that the door was open, but they didn't watch me, but the door was open. So you could hear me, but it was like I won't say my girl, but somebody that was cool.
In my mind, I'm wondering what kind of secrets is this guy leaking out there? I think the conversation was getting too steamy for Big Brother, because at a particular point, Big Brother announced that the housemates in the executive lounge should leave the lounge.
Everyone had groups.
I haven't done anything group before.
Like everybody in groups. Just pick your partner. Not really pick your partner, but like the nights went that way. Like
This is Big Brother. Housemates, please leave the executive lounge immediately.
Moving on to my next gist, the housemates were asked to apologize to Big Brother today because they were accusing Big Brother of not completing their grocery shoppings for them. I mean, this is it. Every week they get to shop for their foods and of course luxury items. And here they are saying that Big Brother doesn't complete some of the things they ordered for. So Big Brother asked them to apologize, and this was how they did it.
We are sorry, oh.
Finally, in my gist, KB has come to talk about everything that led to him leaving the Big Brother house, right? And of course, he said he's overwhelmed by the love he has received from people within and outside the country, as he also thanks his family and friends for the unwavering support in the holding house for 4 weeks. So automatically, it meant that he had been in the lockdown house for 4 weeks, right? And of course, he says being in Big Brother's house has been an experience of a lifetime that has afforded him the access to networks and of course to the best supporters a photographer can have. He also went ahead to say that since his withdrawal from the house, he has reconnected with his family and is currently in a medical facility walking through the debilitating anxiety he felt, and he covets our love and prayers. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on our social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. Until next time I come with you very soon, it's bye for now.